Welcome to our 2026 review of the standout smart wearables. Today we're diving into the top 5 models that are making waves this year. We'll look at performance, price per performance ratio, ease of use, durability, and suitability for different users. Each product will be examined in sequence from number 1 to 5, so you get a comprehensive view. Stay tuned as we reveal which wearable might just be the perfect match for your lifestyle needs. Our first product is the Kukur AI Smart Glasses with Camera. These glasses offer a unique blend of style and technology, perfect for tech enthusiasts. Featuring 4K video recording and an 8-megapixel camera, they allow you to capture life's moments with stunning clarity. The object recognition and voice help features turn these glasses into a smart assistant on the go. With 139+ translation capabilities, they are ideal for travelers needing instant language support. The open-ear audio design ensures you stay aware of your surroundings, enhancing safety during outdoor activities. Rated IP65, these glasses are splash-resistant, making them suitable for various weather conditions. Second on our list is the Garmin Circa Smart Band, a screenless health and fitness tracker with no subscription required. This device automatically detects various activities, offering a hassle-free experience for fitness enthusiasts. Its minimalist design is perfect for users who prefer a discreet and lightweight accessory. The band provides comprehensive health insights, making it a great choice for health-conscious individuals. With its focus on simplicity and functionality, it's tailored for those who appreciate straightforward fitness tracking. Its durability ensures it withstands daily wear, providing excellent value for its intended functionality. Our third product is the Oura Ring 5 Smart Ring, the world's smallest smart ring, perfect for fitness and sleep tracking. This sleek silver ring offers a week's battery life, ensuring consistent monitoring without frequent charging. Its AI advisor provides personalized insights, helping users optimize their health routines. With IP68 waterproofing, it's ideal for users who need a durable wearable for both gym and pool. The ring's focus on women's health highlights its versatility for a diverse user base. Oura's size before you buy option ensures a perfect fit, elevating user comfort and satisfaction. Fourth, we have the Amazfit Bip 6 smartwatch, featuring a 1.97-inch AMOLED display for vibrant visuals. Equipped with GPS and compatible with both iOS and Android, it's a versatile choice for tech-savvy users. The 14-day battery life offers long-lasting performance, reducing the need for constant recharges. With Bluetooth call and text capabilities, it keeps you connected even on the go. Its water-resistant design and 140+ workout modes make it suitable for fitness enthusiasts. The inclusion of AI and health tracking features enhances its appeal as a comprehensive smartwatch. Finally, we have the Google Fitbit Air Performance Loop Band, a workout-friendly band designed for the Fitbit Air. This one-size-fits-all band is micro-adjustable, providing a comfortable fit for various wrist sizes. Crafted from polyester, nylon, and elastane, it offers durability and flexibility during intense workouts. Its sleek obsidian design is both stylish and functional, making it a great accessory for fitness fans. This band is perfect for users seeking a reliable, high-performance option to complement their fitness tracker.